Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today on Sandswept Journeys, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do some small kitchen cooking. We get a lot of questions on how we cook in our Airstream and how big is our kitchen. So today, I'm going to show you those things. Let me get the camera turned around. I'll show you the kitchen, and I'll show you what we're going to cook today. Okay, so here is our kitchen. Believe it or not, this is it. We have our knives over here on a magnetic strip. This is a 9-inch strip, holds 5 of our knives really well. And of course we have the range top up here with the light in it and the fan. I don't have it turned on right now. And I've got a about 12-inch pan on top of the stove so you can see. And it is a 3-burner stove. LED lights are on when the light's on. And inside we store everything in here. These are quarter size baking sheets or bake pans, and we do have a thermometer in here just to let us know what's going on in our propane oven. Our oven works really well. We're super happy with it. And I'm going to be cooking up just a quick little omelet today with some eggs, some leftover sausage and peppers. It's a chicken sausage, and of course some butter, maybe a little bit of spices, but that's what we're going to use, and we're going to cook in this space. So I think it's pretty obvious I'm not a chef, but I do like to cook, and I like to make use of leftovers as much as possible. So here is my sausage and pepper with some cheese and salsa omelet. I'm going to enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching.